Good morning, students. Welcome in our class. Hope you all are fit and healthy at home. Students, today we are going to learn lesson number 4, My Home. Home is a place where all family members live together. It protects us from dangers. Home may consist of different rooms that are used for different purpose. We live in a home. Our home has a different rooms. The place where we live is called a home. What is home? Home किसे बोलेंगे? The place where we live is called a home. जहाँ पर हम रहते हैं उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Home. Now, what does our home protect us from? Our home protect us from heat, cold, rain and wild animals. हमारा होम किससे हमारा प्रोटेक्शन करता है? तो के हीट से, कोल्ड से और वाइल्ड और डेंजरस एनिमल्स से. Our home protect us from heat, cold, rain and wild animals. Students, here one fact file is given. An igloo is a house made up of blocks of snow or ice in the shapes of a dome. इग्लू किससे बनता है? तो के आइस और स्नो से इग्लू बनता है. A home can have a different rooms. Name the different rooms in a home, such as kitchen, drawing room, living room, bedroom, bathroom, right? A home can have a different rooms. As you can see the pictures. The first picture is kitchen. The second one is drawing room, third one is bedroom and fourth is bathroom. Now, what is the kitchen used for? Do you know, kids? We cook food in the kitchens. Kitchen किस लिए यूज होता है? तो के फूड को कुक करने के लिए. Now tell me, which room is used to welcome guests? Do you know? Yes, we welcome guests in the drawing room. Drawing room are used to welcome guests. Which room in our home is used for sleeping? Do you know? Right, we sleep in the bedroom. Bedrooms used for sleeping. Now, as you can see the fourth picture, name the area in our home where we wash and bath. Do you know? Right. We wash and bath in the bathroom. We use bathroom for bathing, brushing, cleaning, right? Etc. So we wash and bath in the bathroom. So here these all are different room in a home. Here we should put things in their proper place and our home neat and clean. We should put our things in their proper place. Here one think aloud is given. Students, name any 2 ways in which you help to keep your home clean. आप बताओ ऐसे 2 ways जिससे आप अपने हाउस को क्लीन रखते हो. तो फर्स्ट you say, we put things in their proper place. We must put things in their proper place. We must helps and keeps ourselves neat and clean, right? Students, here one activity is given. Write the name of the following things found in the bathroom. Choose the correct words from the help box. Here help box is given. And below the words there are some pictures is given. You have to write correct spelling with the correct pictures. As you can see, first picture is mirror, second one is shower, third picture is toothbrush, fourth one bucket, fifth picture is wash bin, sixth one is soap, seven tap. And the next picture is toothpaste. Here as you can see Second last picture is towel. And the last one is mug. So this way you have to write correct spelling with the correct pictures. So students, you have to do this activity at your home. Here some exercises given. Now let's see the first exercise. Write the names of any 3 things you find in the following rooms. The first room's drawing room. Generally we see in the drawing rooms, what we see? Sofa, TV, flower vase, right? So here you have to write down the names of any 3 things you find in the particular rooms. Next one, bedroom. What we see in the bedroom? Bed, pillow, blanket, etc. So this way you have to fill these blanks. Next exercise, match the item with the place where it is kept in the house. Here some different rooms is given and related their items is given. You have to match the correct item with the correct room. First one, kitchen. So we see mixie in the kitchen. So you have to match that correct object. Next is dining room. In the dining room we see fruit bucket, fruit basket. Third one is bedroom. We see pillow in the bedroom. Fourth, bathroom. Shampoo is related to the bathroom, so you have to join this. Last one is drawing room. Sofa we see in the drawing room, so you have to correct object match with the correct rooms. Students, you have to do this exercise at your home. The third exercise, in the grade given below, find the name of 8 things that are used in the kitchen. Use the picture as a clue. Students, here some pictures is given. You have to use the picture as a clue and find out the name of these 8 things. As you can see, the first picture is knife, fork, spoon. This is sink. This one is jar. This is plate. In this side, this is bottle and this one is bowl. So you have to find the name of these 8 things. For example, as you can see, this is spoon, S-P-O-O-N, spoon. And next one is bowl. This is jar and this one is plate. This one is knife and this one is bottle, as you can see, and this one is fork. So this way you have to do this exercise, okay? You have to find the name of the 8 things that are used in the kitchens. You have to find their correct spelling in this grade given below. So you have to do this exercise at your home. Next exercise is, in the space given below, draw a pictures of any 2 objects that you have find in your home, in your house. Here you have to draw pictures of any 2 objects that you find in your house. यहाँ पर any 2 objects pictures जो आपके घर में generally आप देखते हो वो आपको draw करना है. This is your home exercise. Okay students, you have to draw the pictures of any 2 objects that you find in your home, in your house. So that's it. We will meet in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.